Constantly 3D printing, and of course it's not always the best work, but I got my rotary tools here to sand it down, and also included with it, look at this, it's a whole 240 pieces on it, polishing, rust removal, pretty much anything. And I know you hear this sound, it's because I'm actually cleaning this model right now. That's what I'm doing. I'm actually cleaning it enough where I'm gonna be able to use all these tools. Of course, all these tools are included, including the actual tool to take this apart, because yes, it's easy to take apart. I do have a rotary. I actually have two of them. Faster, stronger one, and then lighter one, because I use this for a lot of 3D printing when I'm printing. This is my little 3D printing shop. It's a little mess here, but love it. So I'm gonna just go show you some of the features I like to use. All right, of course, use your mask, glasses too, and of course, I like this part. This is my favorite part. Smoothing out things in the bottom. Low graded right now.